Hey guys, got another pheasant hunting video here coming for you. Went out a couple days ago on some private ground down in southwest Iowa with a couple buddies. Shot a few roosters, got a couple of them on video here. Also got into some quail, but didn't have that on video either. But overall, it was a good hunt. Season coming down to a close here pretty quick in Iowa. Enjoy it, thanks.
What do you find? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Bet there's a lot of mice too. Tater. I don't see her now. She's coming back now. Come on, Teeter. She might be pointing. There goes a rooster. Good girls. She didn't get this one? Huh?
Good girl, Peter. Fetch here.
Oh, it's right here.
Fetch here, girl.
Wrigley, dead bird. Dead bird. Here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Here. Dead bird.
Good girl.
Dead bird.
Good girl.
Good girl. Fetch here.
There's another bird. Peter.
Fetch here. Fetch here. Good girl. Good girl. Sit.
Whoa.
Good girl. Oh, she's pointing again. Yep.
Good girl.
Wrigley, here.
That rooster should run right back.
I like this spot, Kevin.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, we did good. We did good.
I forgot to call that rooster.
The second one?
Either.
Oh.
That big cluster up like
I shot 3.
Hey, good girl. I didn't shoot. Good girl, Wrigley. Fetch here. Look, you can cross here. Road. She's carried on right across, bud.
She saw him. I don't know if she saw him down. No.
To the left, girl. Do I dare walk over there?
Yeah, give her a minute.
She's right where it was at now.
Yeah, if it ain't running, she should find it. But I'm not sure it ain't running.
It looks like it went.
Well, that last bird was running there, and I eventually crossed the water and tried to help her find it, but never were able to find it, unfortunately. Thanks for watching.